very happy to see you in Taiwan. And I think this week is quite busy because we have Innovex, we have a lot of the activities, and also have a lot of the matchmaking meeting for you. Be happy and enjoy Taiwan, please. Thank you very much.
The A2T program has been a great way to get to know Taiwan's startup ecosystem and to connect with potential partners. From the start, IAPS connected me with mentors who provided valuable advice and industry contacts. They also helped me secure an entrepreneur visa, which will be very useful as I intend to stay a little bit longer here and travel back and forth with Europe.
Having participated in top accelerators, the A2T program is without exception one of the best innovation programs in the world. From the application process, the landing support, event coordination, and business matching, the IAPS NYCU team has made our Innovex journey seamless.
Joining the A2T program opened up a lot of doors for our team to look for business partners, to test our market, as well as preparing ourselves to think about and begin expansion in Taiwan. I've always been the most proactive person in the team, but the A2T team actually beat me. They've been way more proactive to schedule business meetings, to arrange events, and all kinds of activities so that we can get the opportunity to explore the Taiwanese market. We appreciate so much for their help and assistance.
The A2T program has been a transformative experience for us. It's provided us with the opportunity to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs and industry experts. The resources and mentorship offered allowed us to grow our business in Taiwan. We are grateful for A2T's help. Thank you.
We're happy to join the A2T program. The program provides one-on-one business matching meetings, mentorship, and even exhibition opportunities. By building a business network, we are already discussing potential collaboration and projects. We also have a chance to pitch to the investors. Therefore, we appreciate the help and wish the program to continue to be bigger and greater.
The Access to Taiwan program has been very impressive and beneficial to us. We've been introduced to many mentors, potential investors and partners, as well as being invited to join this incredible Innovex exhibition. I recommend the Access to Taiwan program for any company looking at the Taiwan market opportunity.
We got an awesome welcome by IAPS on first day of arrival. We got opportunity to present our startup to a couple of investors in business meeting. We had a demo pitch yesterday. We are excited to pitch in front of investors today and see the results. The Global Startup Night Party gave an excellent networking opportunity. We are thankful to IAPS for selecting our startup for the Access to Taiwan program.
We are incredibly grateful to IAPS for the invitation to showcase TaxScale at Innovex here at Taiwan. It's an honor to be part of such an esteemed event. This opportunity allows us to share our vision and innovation with a wider audience and explore potential collaboration. We are excited about the future and look forward to building strong relationship with the IAPS community and beyond. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Thanks to the A2T program, we are able to explore business opportunity with local companies and receive valuable advice from mentors. This program is perfect for starting our venture in Taiwan. Thank you.